whatever you love is what will keep you going. But understand one thing, this is with regards to diet. And अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपका प्रोटीन इंटेक पूरा नहीं हो रहा है फॉर अ वेजिटेरियन और अ वेजिटेरियन, include 1 or 2 scoops of whey protein. That will be like ultimate, because without putting in a lot of effort you're getting in proteins. So for a person who's going to the gym, 2 scoops of whey protein would be like 50 grams of protein. आपका almost पूरे दिन का 75% protein intake is done for the whole day, right? And then you can do your normal regular diet, like दाल खा लो, राइस खा लो, वो सब में भी आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रोटीन्स और कार्ब्स तो मिलता ही रहेगा. सो यू विल बी सस्टेनिंग इट, राइट? एंड फोकस ऑन स्लो वेट लॉस. उसके लिए क्या करना है आपको? इंक्रीज योर एक्टिविटी लेवल्स, engage yourself in some kind of sport that you like. Yeah, sprouts is also good, Namrata. Engage in some kind of activity level. If you like dancing, please do dancing. If you like to go for a walk, please go out for a walk. You know, एक अगर आपको वर्कआउट करना पसंद है, प्लीज वर्क आउट. वर्किंग आउट वुड बी द बेस्ट काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी दैट यू कैन डू, and if you can sustain it, that would be like, you know, nothing like it. So you can start working out as well, and working out will ensure that you're burning in calories even when you're not doing anything. BMR आपका बढ़ जाएगा. So include workout. अब आप बोलते हो कि मुझे वर्कआउट के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता है. For all those people who do not find time during working out, again as I said, it's all about sustainability. Break it up. अगर आपको दिन का अगर 1 घंटा नहीं मिल रहा है, फॉर पीपल हु आर लाइक वर्किंग, वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है, तो इफ यू कैन नॉट फाइंड टाइम, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज स्क्वीज इन अ 20 minute ऑफ वर्कआउट. 20 minute ऑफ वर्कआउट, पुशअप्स मार लो, स्क्वाट्स मार लो, बाय रेजिस्टेंस बैंड, वर्कआउट एट योर हाउस 20 minutes. सो दैट वुड बी अ मॉर्निंग सेशन, एंड देन अगेन एक और सेशन इंक्लूड कर लो एक रात के टाइम के लिए. सो यू विल बी डूइंग 2 sessions of 20 minutes. That's like 40 minutes. तो in a nutshell, you will be burning more calories, and at the same time you're increasing your BMR. अपना गोल तो वही है ना. So whenever I work out I fell ill. Is that because I'm doing it wrong? See, okay, for few people, they're when they start doing something new, they actually fall. ठीक है, नॉट बिकॉज दे आर डूइंग इट रॉन्ग या फिर राइट या समथिंग लाइक दैट. थोड़ा अपना इम्यूनिटी लो हो जाता है, योर बॉडी इज ट्राइंग टू अडाप्ट एंड एडजस्ट, बट यू नॉट सपोज टू गिव इट अप. यू सपोज टू बैक इट अप. यू सपोज टू डू इट लाइटली, आराम से थोड़ा थोड़ा करके स्टार्ट करो. यू नॉट सपोज टू पुश योर सेल्फ राइट फ्रॉम डे 1 एंड देन डू, यू नो, पूरा एकदम सा. नो, work on your diet and also include multivitamins and everything. That will help you in the longer run. That will help you with this as well. That will help you in your recovery as well. So that is also one of the reason why you fall ill. So focus on that. Focus on your omega-3. You might not be taking your multivitamin. Include a multivitamin. Alright. Oh yeah, very well said, Sumati. So if you have time for social media, then you have time for workout. Very well said. So break it up. Include 20 minutes of workout in like 2 or 3 sessions. If you can do, okay, set targets. पहले दिन से, you know, set a target of 20 minutes. Then in the second week, what you can do is increase it up to 2 sessions, make it 40 minutes. Then you can make it 3 sessions. You'll be burning more calories. And this is with regards to workout. Now again, मैंने जैसे बताया था 4 फैक्टर्स है टू, यू नो, TDE के. BMR तो एक हो गया. BMR इंक्रीज करने के लिए वर्कआउट करना है, मैंने बता दिया, पॉइंट नंबर 1. जैसे मैंने बोला थर्मिक इफेक्ट ऑफ फूड, मैंने बताया ना, प्रोटीन्स को सबसे ज़्यादा कैलोरीज लगती है बर्न होने में. सो इंक्रीज योर प्रोटीन इनटेक, दैट इज योर सेकेंड थिंग. देन नॉन एक्सरसाइज एक्टिविटी थर्मोजेनेसिस, मेक रैंडम मूवमेंट्स. एक काम कर लो, ऐसे ही बैठे बैठे टाइम पास में डांस कर लो, या फिर यू नो किसी को इमिटेट कर लो, या फिर कीप मूविंग. आई मीन, डोंट मेक इट अ हैबिट, अदरवाइज पीपल विल कम एंड हिट मी अप सेइंग दैट अरे क्या गंदा आदत लगा दिया. एनीवेज, या सो द फोर्थ फैक्टर वुड बी योर वर्कआउट एक्टिविटी. सो द मोर द वर्कआउट, द मोर कैलोरीज यू विल एंड अप बर्निंग. सो बाय अ बैंड, MI बैंड. आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग वन, मेरा खराब हो गया करके, आई विल गेट इट रिपेयर्ड. अच्छा हो गया याद दिला दिया. सो बाय अ MI बैंड, that will help you to track your steps. Now I'm not saying it is going to be the best way, but then at least you have a ballpark figure around you. You will know that, okay, I am, you know, walking approximately these many steps. Okay, for an average person, the total number of steps that an average person do is 2700. That's like very low actually. So you need to increase that. That is the first goal that you need to set for yourself. Increase the number of steps, average number of steps. So keep a target, 8,000 का figure रख दो. I will no matter do 8,000 steps or 10,000 steps, whatever you can. Start off slow ताकि पहले ही आपको ऐसा ना लगे कि I'm not able to do, I'm good for nothing. Please don't make yourself feel bad. Reward yourself. Start putting in small rewards. Like target set कर लो. If at all I'm able to, come up in this dress, the dress that I like, I would give myself with this cupcake or a pastry. It's okay. Reward yourself. But yeah, ensure that वो cupcake या pastry खा रहे हो तो share it with your friends so that calorie कम जाए, है ना. And also अगर आप खा रहे हो तो उस दिन थोड़ा आप दूसरा कुछ पे compensate कर लो, because you need to understand कि एक cupcake अगर आप खा रहे हो तो approximately you are having around 200 calories. तो थोड़ा चीज़ आप कम खा लो, fat थोड़ा कम कर लो उस दिन. That is how you do it. So roughly throughout the whole day you're supposed to do all these things. I hope you people are making note of this, because this is something that you do not have to put in a lot of effort. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके अगर आप कर लोगे तो हो ही जाएगा. This was a basic live session so that everyone can follow it up and still get results. We'll keep coming up with more so that I can go into a little more depths and everything as well. If any one of you have got basic doubts and everything, I am ready to take questions now. Anyone? Any questions? Sujit, you may want to talk on growing muscles with periodization or some other technique which you think would suit for the larger audience. Okay. See, Sujit, periodization in itself is a very big topic altogether. But in a nutshell, if you want to talk about periodization, I'll tell you about what periodization is. Start off, you can do one thing. First week में आप light start करो. I'm not going with the numbers like 70% ये वो again explain करने में बहुत बड़ा ये है. So start off with lighter weights. Do lot of reps. Say 15 to 20 reps. Second week में थोड़ा focus around 10 to 12 reps. Third week में focus around 6 to 8 reps. In the fourth week, you can do only power routine. Power routine will be something like 5 to 5. अब ये कर लो. And then उसके बाद again week 5 में light वाला कर लो. This is a very basic periodization technique that you can use. If you can write down your numbers, that would be good. तो आपको एक ballpark figure मिलेगा कि कितना आपका strength है, 1 rep max कितना है. उसके साथ और अच्छा better idea बैठता है. I can give you a better suggestion. But then for now, for this audience, I'll keep it like this. We'll talk about that later. You can talk on growing muscles. Okay, so in order to grow muscles, you need to be in a calorie excess. You cannot grow muscles by just being on deficit. You can grow muscles just by being on deficit in one condition. That's like if you're a newbie. Or the second condition would be if you're looking out for muscle recomp. Recomp is losing fat and gaining muscle at the same time. But again, ये दो factor वही लोगों के लिए work करेगा if at all you're a newbie. One. Second, if a person is an advanced level में था बंदा, उसने almost around say 1 year workout नहीं किया, पूरा muscles उसका उतर गया है, and then he is coming back on track, तब जाके work करेगा. So there are only these two ways how you can do a recomp, growing muscle, being on a deficit. That's the word. So in order to grow muscle, you have to be eating in excess mode. Only then you can build on muscles. Along with muscle, you will be putting on fat as well. But that's okay. If you want to pack on muscles, you have to add on muscles. Exactly like the same way how you lose muscles when you are going in deficit. So yeah. So any other questions? Namrata, yeah, sprouts are good to go. You can add, you for dressing, I think Anu has mentioned that, for dressing you can use apple cider vinegar. Yeah, that's tasty. So apple cider vinegar will, along with some sprouts or green leafy vegetable, that would be cool. Then hey, my breakfast, mid-meal and lunch are mostly protein, so for dinner it's mostly carbs. So is that okay, or should I add some protein in dinner too? Sumati, it's always good to include proteins, but I'm not saying that protein आपको डिनर में लेना चाहिए कि नहीं नहीं लेना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं होता है. But definitely if you eat protein, if you add protein more, there's no harm. बॉडी एक्सेस प्रोटीन अगर लेगी तो भी कोई हार्म नहीं करेगी, ठीक है. नॉर इज प्रोटीन्स वेस्टेड एवर. सो no matter how much you take, you will see that कम ही पड़ रहा है बॉडी के लिए. So you can include protein, but at the same time have carbs, because if that is what makes you happy, please do. Please by all means include carbs. Fine.